Unlocking the Mystery, Hermetically Sealed, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're going to explore a phrase that might sound a bit technical at first but is actually part of everyday English in certain contexts. The phrase is hermetically sealed. Stick around to uncover its meaning, origins, and how you can use it in your conversations. Let's get started. When we say something is hermetically sealed, we are referring to an object or container that is completely airtight. This means no air, gas, or liquid can enter or exit the sealed environment. It's as if the item is locked away from the world, in its own little bubble, protected from external conditions. The term, hermetically sealed, traces its roots back to the name of Hermes Trismegistus, a legendary Hellenistic figure who is credited with the invention of a magical seal that could keep containers airtight. Over time, hermetic came to be associated with alchemy and the mystical, but today, it's used in a much more practical sense. You might encounter hermetically sealed in various contexts, such as food packaging to keep products fresh and free from contamination, electronics, where components are sealed to prevent moisture damage, medical packaging, ensuring sterility of medical instruments or medications. Understanding this term can help you better comprehend product labels, technical descriptions, and even some scientific discussions. Let's look at some examples to see how you can incorporate hermetically sealed into your everyday language. The company ensures the coffee beans are hermetically sealed to preserve their aroma and freshness. To prevent any leaks, the laboratory samples must be hermetically sealed before transportation. I was amazed by how the hermetically sealed environment in the biodome could simulate different climates. These sentences show the versatility of the phrase in various contexts, highlighting its utility in conveying the idea of complete and secure sealing. And there you have it. You now understand what hermetically sealed means, where the term comes from, and how you can use it in your conversations and writing. We hope this video has illuminated this interesting phrase for you and added a new element to your English vocabulary. Remember, language learning is a journey filled with discoveries. Keep exploring, and don't hesitate to seal those new words into your memory. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.